So I've recorded Mason, but I don't know if I've posted any of the videos that I have recorded. I don't use all the footage I record. But anyways, I might have, I don't remember. It might have been the clip before, to be honest.
They even know what we're doing, dude?
So he got one downpipe out so far.
Woo!
He's working on getting the other one out, I think. I don't actually know.
It's
down there right there. His turbos are right here. They're fucking tiny, like they're this big. I did not know they're that small. But yeah, anyways, so the issue I'm having right here with the misfire or whatever, it has a coolant leak still. Very small. It's gotten smaller than what it used to be. It actually doesn't even leak that much. Sometimes it doesn't even have a puddle under it, which is cool. That means I can ignore it. No, that's not what that means. I'm just kidding. So right now I contacted the tuner, and depending on what the gap is on these, I'm waiting for Seth. He has a feeler gauge. Mine's in the unit. I don't want to drive all the way over there, but Seth is taking a sweet ass time. I hope he sees this. I hope he sees this. Seth, you're an asshole. You're supposed to be here already. I need to check the gap on my spark plugs. I already have these 3 popped off. I'm not going to get to those yet. Obviously, I'm waiting for Seth to get here. Those are kind of a bitch to get to. Hopefully the gap on these is good. Well, obviously I got to change it. It's at, there should be anywhere like 0.85 millimeters. That's what they were set to. They now need to be 0.8. So I need to re-gap these, take it on a test drive. Hopefully the misfire is gone. If the misfire is not gone, that means there is an issue with this motor, unfortunately, and I will have to dive deeper into it, which is not good news. Let me get this right. Let me not misspeak or anything. So if I have to go lower than 0.8, he said there's a problem with the ignition system and the engine, and I do not have a specific recommendation for how much lower the gap. I would make sure you're measuring the gap correctly, obviously. Change your coil packs if you have not done that yet. I don't want to do that because I actually got all of these recently. I did new spark plugs and coil packs when I went to stage 0, which was less than a year ago, so I shouldn't have to replace these. But if I do, then fuck it, I guess, you know. I have some other spare ones I'll swap out and shit, so we'll see. He said, check for high resistance on any ground wires. I don't know how to do that, but you know, I can always look into it. Look for loose battery connections. If none of that helps, then I would do a compression and leak down on the engine to see what is causing the problem. A healthy engine would not misfire at this power level. His 650 horsepower all-wheel drive doesn't misfire with gaps at 0.8 millimeters. So there shouldn't be a reason to go lower at 450. Just expose myself. This thing's at 450 right now. Even though I advertise 500 horsepower, it's not right now. Hopefully after I fix this issue right here, we can go 500 horsepower on E85, but right now we're on 93, sorry, I live in Texas. We don't got that broke boy gas here. Spark plugs have been gapped. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not feeling too optimistic about this because, I mean, don't get me wrong, the gaps weren't 0.8, but I don't know. Maybe I need to be more optimistic, but the gap wasn't off by that much. Holy fuck, we need coolant. Okay, let me top that off. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna gas Mason out real quick with this cold start, taking a drive and see how it feels. So we got good and bad news. I think the good news outweighs the bad news, but we still have both. First of all, I'd like to say that I forgot to record because I was so caught up in the moment. Anyways, so on wide open throttle, this thing does not have a misfire anymore. Good thing there were no cops because I would have went to jail. Yeah, I was fucking ripping this fucking thing, and it was just going. So I was going out to drive, and as I was leaving, Mason was like, "Can I come?" So he's in his pajamas. He has no shoes on. He just woke up. My car woke him up. What are initial thoughts? Yeah, he likes the blow-off valve. He likes the blow-off valve. And does it feel faster?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We get the blow-off on the truck. Hold on, ready? Hope you can hear it on camera. I feel like you can't though, I'm not gonna lie. honest. I think it's alright.
All we did was pulling it straight, and it just flew.
Wow.
It was like we looked under it, and like there was just trans fluid. And the customer was like, "Oh yeah, I've been having problems with it," and we were just like, "We're not paying for this."
What is that thing?
Nissan Kicks, Toyota Yaris. Let's go, Toyota Yaris.
Yo, what?
It's like an old one. Over here, Clint Lockwood.
Like a 40.
Alright, I practice. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Holy fuck! Dude! Yeah! That bitch bam!
Oh my god! I do the same shit. Like, I see people and they get mad because I slow down, but like, dog, y'all want to hit that nasty ass bump?
Yeah.
And you got this one too?
Yeah, I always stay right here. Cause I was bad in that one.
Yeah.
Now we're parked up and it is dark outside. I came back and dropped Mason off and I went out and I used the car. Turbo downpipe red. No, not really, not that hard. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Nothing too crazy going on right now. Nothing too new. Just kind of making the same videos about what I've done already. I do want to go out there and race some people. I'm pretty tired. Monday got me worn out. And I just went and drove this bitch around and kind of drained my mental. Because I was going crazy. I guess that'll be it for this video. Not too entertaining. I mean, I don't know, maybe it is for you, but you know, obviously I would like to put out better content than what I am right now. It's just, you know, we are kind of limited. Seth's car comes back next week and I just finished getting everything sorted with this car. So Mason's speaks for its fucking self. All of our cars were down at the same time. But my car's back up, Seth's car will be back up, Mason's car will be back up within the next month maybe. So yeah, content's looking promising. Thank you for watching. Come back to see more epic, okay, we're not doing that. Come back for watching. See you on the next video. 10 likes and I'll, no, 10 likes. 40 likes and I'll buy a BMW. See, it's not happening, so I'm not buying one.